Welcome to a journey through the astonishing and the unexpected. Get ready for the top 10 amazing random facts that will blow your mind. Fact 1. Were you aware that honey is such a powerful preservative it never spoils? This miraculous substance, teeming with antibacterial properties, has been a fantastic natural preserver for millennia. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey, still perfectly intact, in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. These pots hold a succulent treasure that remarkably remains edible. Historically, this golden nectar was not only a culinary delight, but was also used in the mummification process and in medicinal concoctions across various eras and civilizations. This is just one testament to honey's enduring and versatile nature throughout history. Fact 2. An intriguing fact is that, according to botanical definitions, bananas are actually classified as berries, while strawberries aren't. This may seem counterintuitive, but it's all about the underwater structure of the fruit. Botanically, a berry is a fruit that is produced from the ovary of a single flower and contains seeds on the inside. Bananas fit this definition perfectly. They are derived from a single flower with more than one ovary, making them a kind of modified berry. On the other hand, strawberries are derived from a flower with more than one ovary, making them an aggregate fruit, not a berry. So while in the culinary world we consider strawberries to be berries, botanically, they are not. Fact 3. The fascinating world of octopuses includes them possessing 3 hearts. Yes, you heard it right. 3 separate hearts, each performing unique yet crucial roles. 2 of these hearts function specifically to pump blood to the gills, an essential mechanism in their respiration process. The 3rd heart, on the other hand, is responsible for pumping blood to the rest of the body, ensuring a steady, healthful circulation. This unique tripartite cardiovascular system of octopuses plays a vital role in supporting their energetic and active lifestyle. It allows them to swiftly change direction and speed in water, making them one of the most agile creatures in the sea. Fact 4. The Eiffel Tower, an engineering marvel, can grow up to 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the expansion of the iron on hot days. This fascinating occurrence is not accidental but a result of thoughtful design. Gustav Eiffel, the tower's designer and engineer, was aware of the role temperature plays in expanding and contracting metals. Therefore, he created an ingenious design that would accommodate these shifts without causing any structural damage. Thus, the Eiffel Tower was specifically designed to flexibly adjust its height as per temperature-induced expansion and contraction. Fact 5. A single cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Surprising, isn't it? How can something that looks so light and fluffy carry such weight? The weight of a cloud is calculated by taking into account the water density and the volume of the cloud. Even though they seem as soft as cotton candy, clouds are in fact made up of tiny water droplets or ice particles that are suspended in the atmosphere. These water droplets or ice particles, although individually minuscule, collectively contribute to the cloud's weight. So the next time you gaze up at a cloud, remember, it's not just a light, fluffy mass, but a massive formation that can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Fact 6. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. Just like humans, they need their social connections. Cows are inherently social creatures, forming deep bonds and friendships with specific members of their herd. Researchers have found that when these bovine best friends are together, their stress levels decrease and they experience an increase in overall happiness. Conversely, when they are separated from their companions, they exhibit signs of stress such as pacing and low milk production. Thus, their social network is not just a matter of companionship, but it critically affects their well-being too. Fact 7. Astoundingly, a day on Venus lasts longer than a year. Specifically, it takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation on its axis, while it just takes 225 Earth days to complete an orbit around the Sun. This makes Venus's day the longest in our celestial neighborhood. In comparison, Earth takes only 24 hours to rotate on its axis, and 365 days to orbit the Sun. Similarly, our neighboring planet Mars takes about 24.6 hours to rotate and 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This unusual phenomenon on Venus, of its rotational period being longer than its orbital period, is unique among the planets in our solar system. Fact 8. The distinctive smell we often associate with rain is known as petrichor. The genesis of this unique scent lies in a complex chemical process. It arises when raindrops fall on dry soil and stir up a unique compound called geosmin, produced by a type of bacteria known as actinobacteria. The moisture in the air helps release these earthy-smelling molecules into the atmosphere. a scent humans are particularly sensitive to. Interestingly, the name petrichor has a fascinating etymology too. It originates from the Greek words petra, meaning stone, and ichor, which translates as the fluid that flows in the veins of the gods, according to Greek mythology. So, the next time you enjoy the fresh smell of rain, remember the intricate chemistry and captivating linguistics behind it. Fact 9. Butterflies are incredible creatures with unique sensory capabilities. Astonishingly, they have the fascinating ability to taste with their feet. When a butterfly lands on a potential food source, it doesn't have to take a bite to know what it's stepping on. Rather, the sensory cells on their feet, known as chemoreceptors, allow them to taste the food. As soon as they touch down on a flower or a leaf, they can instantly get a taste of it through their toes. It's a fascinating physiological adaptation that enables them to identify the best feeding spots and even recognize the plants where they can safely lay their eggs. Fact 10. The most deafening natural sound ever recorded on Earth was the violent eruption of Krakatoa in 1883. Situated between Java and Sumatra in the Indonesian archipelago, this mighty volcano unleashed a sonic boom of monumental proportions. This explosion was so powerful that it shattered eardrums of sailors 40 miles away, and was distinctly heard over an area covering 1/13 of the globe. Remarkably, this extraordinary sound didn't just stop there. The atmospheric shockwaves reverberated around the world not once, not twice, but 4 times. This was largely facilitated by the stratification of the Earth's atmosphere, which acted as a channel, allowing the sound to travel at incredible speeds and distances. There you have it, 10 mind-boggling facts that illuminate the marvels of our world. Remember, curiosity isn't just about asking questions, it's about exploring the world in search of answers. It's about delving into the unknown and continuously seeking knowledge. It's through such exploration that we uncover more astonishing truths. So I encourage you to stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos packed full of fascinating facts.